World Cup referee blocked from enter the United States due to suspect terror ties report. Crazy round one part. So that mean to tell me say a World Cup a referee who fi come ref the game. Who fi come ref the game wanna deny him entry in our country and say man linked to terrorist organization group, my friend, the crazy round on one part. Viewers and subscribers, welcome to the channel. My name is Dan Perrett. This channel is all about travel vlog, music, news, entertainment update, live stream, story time, and immigration series, people. I know we are telling a lot of immigration story over here. We are going a lot of update. So people, this report, you know, say fall under the immigration system on our channel. So in line with our channel. So people, this are making way over news. You feel me? I say all over internet, I should say, with this Somali, we call it Somali referee. You know a popular referee, if you're into football, you see by the field them right through and run up and down. You see me? I say, what I time I could swear you see me running a World Cup. You see me? No, you me World Cup. Running a track and field, Olympics. You see me? He look like him one of them when they are running like Olympics. But right now, we get to understand Trump now play people. A whole heap of them get turned back. You feel me? A lot of them get turned back. We see some I play of them. We see some video with them where they must give them search them. They might give them some crazy search. But I could get in a little article. I could hear tell you no way. Them turning back me man for a referee for, and basically they deport him. They send him back in country. You see me? I say, don't listen to me good, you know, because I remember I say over here, so they always tell you, though, this is that a news channel. We don't come over here so for read or listen to it thing good. You feel me? I say, a top Somali referee who was set to officiate games at the World Cup had been blocked from entering the United States over is allegedly linked to terrorist organization. You feel me? I say, so they might say, yo, what are them, man? Come here. We are going to talk about this, because let me tell you something, people. Omar Artan, 33-year-old, interrogated by border official at Miami International Airport for 11 hours Saturday before he held in jail cell and forced to leave the country, according to the athlete people. So they might say, yo, they hold him in an airport. You get what I say? So basically, them having an airport and I say, you watch it up and we're not going to let you in. Sign the paper here and just turn back. You feel me? I say, sign the paper and just turn back. Custom and Border Protection official claimed that Artan was blocked from entering the U.S. over vet concern. On Tuesday, U.S. officials say that the referee was barred due to an association with suspected member of terrorist organization. After landing in Florida, Artan was questioned over Somali politics and the AI terrorist organization with U.S. African Command described 2022 as the largest, wealthiest, and most athlete AI quad affiliated. Jesus Christ. They say the group pose the greatest danger to the U.S. citizen and interest in East Africa and is a threat to the United States, my friend. Artan's name is similar to that of man who had been linked to the terror group, which is sanctioned by the U.S. Treasury, the New York Times report, people. So basically, when I get to go and write this, so we don't even have to go no more. They must say name linked to him, man. So basically, people right now, he must come in and they must say link to these type of terrorist organization when they check him out and all these things. You feel me? I say so them deny him entry in the United States. Them, you hear him say they have him over there for 12 hours and all them things that the immigration them check him out and them interrogate him crazy in a room and them ask him one bag of thing and I say, yo, dog, what you can. But my thing is, people, you feel me? I say the man have a valid United States visa. He have a valid diplomat passport, visa, diplomat entry man get to come in our country. You feel me? I say FIFA set up a thing, wicked theme. You feel me? I say, so him have all of that, him have the clearance there. You get to me? I say, people, so my thing is now, you know, say him on have him pan there. Well, on probably just one thing coming out of the country then for ask him all of these things. But on could have put out them information there. You feel me? I say, on could have pull a visa from there. So and say, all right, watch you know, we are going to take away your visa, you know, because we find out say you are linked to the some terrorist them organization, and we're not going to let you enter in the United States for the FIFA World Cup. So we are going to take away your visa. But guess what they do? They make him come America, land of Miami. When they reach Miami now, they take him out of the line, bring him around the room in a secondary inspection, dig him up and all these things, and still deny him entry in our country, my friend. You feel me? I say, so FIFA, them I say, yo, right now, them can, well, while them can help people get a visa, they can't go against the US immigration rules. You get to me? I say, people, so them I say, they basically, them can't do nothing about that. You feel me? I say, them can't go make you get your visa, but what, if the US deny you and all these things, them can't do nothing about that, people. But, let me tell you something, man. This thing are crazy. You feel me? I say, and a lot of people right now, them say over 17,000 people cancel their trip and them something there. Where them book them pay for their trip to come over in America to go watch a game. They say over 17,000. They say hotel, a lot of hotel where them things they would have book out right now are full of people. The hotel them now hold nothing because the foreigners them would have really come for checking out hotel. They might have a problem to get the visa. They might have problem get denied, and some of them just decide say, yo, them now come through this big worse them hear all these things are going. You get me? I say, people, yeah. So this World Cup, yeah. You feel me? This thing with the referee, it cause wave over the airways right now. Over internet, it cause wave because a lot of people are talking about it, and a lot of people disagree with the situation. You see me? I say, my thing is them could have pull him on visa for a long time. But they want to bring him come, cause see that if them did find out and connect to the terrorism group and all them things, that they would send him back in the country. They would have locked him up. You get to me? I said they would have locked him up and try to charge him, but them they don't find nothing. So they just through they know say yo, and them know say him and I coach. I for sure say American Immigration Custom and Border Protection. Them not playing border control or what they want to call them. They're not playing. Them not playing because this manner is very important to your World Cup, my friend. You get the man say this man is very important to your World Cup. Him is the referee. You feel me? I say, and him is a very popular referee too. You feel me? Everybody know him, but yo, right now, Chop could have even like this about the other, because Chop could have say, yo, right now, you are going to sell out so game and all them things that we don't like. They could have watch him one long time. Some of them man could have watch him long time and see how him a ref, how he used to ref some game. And he used to cuss and get mad and say, the referee boy there, he joke thing and all. Yo, I don't know, I don't laugh still people, but you see me sometimes I have to just laugh off a bad situation because it's sad still because you know how much money that the man lose out on. You know how much money that India get paid. Although they probably still have to pay him still. You feel me? I say FIFA. You see, because I'm pretty sure it's a contract he signed. You get to me? I say, but still, you get a chance to come over. But my thing is two people. You man have a valid visa, you know. Man have a valid visa, guys. A valid visa. You see me? Diplomat lifestyle, the man come through. You get to me? I say, and then still deny him entry and a diplomat thing. For sure, you say America now play. You see me? I say them not play with the Somali and them people. Not play with them. You feel me? I say them not playing around. And a whole heap of them may used to get turned back too. You feel me? I say some of them go as far as where they have them visa before. You get to me? I say and book them ticket and come over and get turned back. So who are gonna make it all money that them are mess up the money, them are mess up the money train, man. So who are gonna make all these money? You feel me? I say if you work up as shaky. So and guess what now? A lot of immigrants how they don't. That's why I tell you, Jamaicans Although Jamaican, you must have sense and know, say, yo, right now, on stay on the house and watch a World Cup. You see, video we put out with this man, boy, I go to a World Cup, because I want to get free ticket and some style. I see what happened to him. So Jamaicans, them don't know, on figure it out if you have to buy it, if you stream it on cable or pan media or something like that, you have to, you know, most of the time you probably have to pay for it to get the game, or you might have to go to one bar. No, you can't go on a bar either. Because if you're illegal, me attack illegal one them, you can't go on a bar, go catch up, go watch the World Cup. Because the immigration people, them are go out there, the freezer boys, them going to be on the street. You can't go to a bar. You see me, I say, and you can't go a World Cup, go watch it. You can't go none of the games, them go watch it, unless you know, say, your paperwork straight. Because believe me or not, remember, say, a World Cup, that the biggest thing we I keep is the World Cups are different country. I go there. So I want to feel I go there. No feel like say custom enforcement and federal agents and all them things, then I go there, so. Remember all type of different race will come there, so people, so they know, so they have to go there on high alert there, so because anything can happen there, so you know, people, because they know, say, yo, especially America go on with a lot of things right now, so they know, say, a lot of people are planning to come out of this. This World Cup are bigger than the Super Bowl all in America, you know, and you know, say, Super Bowl is a big and expensive game, you see me, but the World Cup right now, remember people from World Cup this name. If you may say every country in the world get an opportunity to play in this thing. But who make it and who not make it? Jamaica not make it, them will never make it again. A World Cup. I don't know why, because I don't know people. You see me, I say, I don't know. Hopefully one day they make it still, but I don't see it right now. You get me, I say, because them a ball here, them a move different. You see it, but me bring this news over here so because I don't know what go on in a World Cup world, people, because you don't know, say World Cup a kick off tomorrow with over Mexico. You see me? And then I don't know, say start branch off in the US and all these things, guys. So be careful. You feel me? I say me know all like football crazy, you want them crazy over football. You see me? I say, and they know, say, yo, them the year say World Cup a come in a United States. A lot of people go and buy a ticket to go. They get to me and say somebody who even have green card and so forth. If you may say, and somehow and a lot of them with the panel removal for years. You see it? They have the local driver's license and then social security, so them say them go a World Cup same way. And when time ice, but a year them say they have facial scanner and all these things out there right now. And them not for run up on, you know, my friend. Them not for run up on a World Cup, you know. Them just park up in a parking lot, them. That's how the ice, them gonna work right now. Them are park up in a parking lot at World Cup. And then just facial scanner, everybody where they want to scan. You feel me? I say, I remember say some of my camera them when they install this already. Don't have pick up people from them have enter. Just like USCIS building. You feel me? Because I remember I stadium that, you know, people. So them have set up some of them camera in there. So that them are do wanna catch the people them. And them not have to do nothing, they don't sit down in the office or in the car and when saying catch your face and your face check green is a match. You don't see them come and touch you on your shoulder. Yeah, I saw them a blow go catch you, my friend. So nobody feel like say ice them. And that's why, you know, we don't feel like them not run up and down on the street again. Them not have to run up down on, even though I see me have some video there, so I see them take over some people yesterday. If you make them still are going, especially in a New Jersey right now. The ice them are going crazy in a Jersey. If you make them are going crazy over there in a Jersey. But right now, at this thing, them are use and I catch people on and know what go on. The facial scanning business. If you make them just scan anybody where they want. Plus they have a thing where them are use set off the install and just want to get your phone number. Once they have your phone number, people then start them just connect and start this everything. Believe me. So viewers and subscribers, big up on yourself. You feel me? I say tomorrow again I should jump. We'll probably jump on the live and all the reason about the same conversation and more. So I will be posting this video shortly in the night here. So big up on yourself. Hope you have a wonderful night. I'm out. Yeah.